Bring it back.
It's the first of the month.
Wake up, Panther!
And happy first day of March. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Maya. It's a fantastic day to be a Panther.
Students, next Tuesday, March 5th, there is a virtual HBCU college fair with opportunities for students to visit with representatives from historically black colleges and universities.
If you are interested in this opportunity, please visit the website displayed on the screen for the most updated list of participating institutions and virtual access directions.
In sporting news, our boys and girls track team will travel to Satellite today for the Satellite Scorpion Invitational, and events begin at 3 p.m.
Our boys JV and varsity baseball teams will take on MCC today. The varsity team will play at 5 p.m. here at home, and JV will travel to MCC to play at 3:30 p.m.
Good luck to all our sports team today.
Panthers, do you need volunteer hours? Well, Downtown Melbourne is thrilled to announce the upcoming 2024 Trash Bash event. We want you to be part of it.
Together with Keep Reval Beautiful, the City of Melbourne, Space Code Young Professionals, and the Melbourne Regional Chamber, they are gearing up to beautifully downtown Melbourne like never before.
This event will be on Saturday, April 6th, and the time will be at 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Volunteer spaces are limited, so sign up today to reserve your spot. Together, let's make a record-breaking impact by picking up litter from our roadways and alleys.
To sign up, visit this website displayed on the screen.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!